All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I have got some pretty cool custom knives over here that I want to share with you guys. You can find them on Fablades.com. Let's start with these four bad boys. These are 3-leg knives. Check this out, four brothers right over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are all brand new, 4 different models. You can see a slight variation, but they share the same DNA. They have G10 scales with blue marble carbon fiber inlays, perfectly done. G10 backspacer titanium liners. Yeah, these are liner locks with titanium blue anodized pocket clips and same satin blades with slightly polished flats. Right over there they have jimping in 1, 2, 3 cases. No jimping over here. Just the same pivot with pivot color in G10, in carbon fiber for these two bad boys. These two guys, they don't have the extra G10 pivot collar, but as you can see, there's like a titanium pivot collar, beautiful pivot, Magna Cut for all these four, and 1, 2, 3 lanyard hole, no lanyard hole option for this guy over here. Kind of cleaver style blade going on over here, but mostly drop point with just slight variation, as you can see. You might be wondering how big they are. These are, check this out, a little, I would say 3.5-inch long blade, a little bit maybe 3.6 for the cleaver, but pretty much same ballpark, and 8.5 inches overall. So check them out. They are available right now on Fablades.com. Check out the knives section. Next up, guess what? We have a pretty cool wheel Zermeno with Damascus scale, titanium bolsters, Damascus pocket clip. Check out the geared spacer, and boom, yeah, you have some blacked out Damascus blade. It's a flipper and it's a frame lock with an over travel lock bar stabilizer in titanium. As well, the titanium standoffs. There is no back spacer. Pretty cool action. It's not gonna break the bank logo up here. Wheel Zermeno. You might wonder, how big is this bad boy? Again, I would say 8.75 inches and a 3.5-inch long blade. Wheel Zermeno, check it out. Next up, we've got this pretty cool Mayo frame lock, full titanium, very sleek, very slim, hollow grind. Look at this lines, classic signature holes, and look at the stop pin, by the way, almost visible in the show side. Couple screws. I like the style. Right over here, tip-up carry only pocket clip. 6K on the blade. Amazing finish, matte monochrome frame lock from Mayo. Smaller of the bunch, 3 inches long for the handle, 4.25, and overall 7.5. Next up, we have a nice, snappy RJ Martin. Check out this blade over here. Look at the detail on the swedge, massive satin, polished flat satin, hollow grind, double recurve flipper, bolster lock. I mean, it's a liner lock technically with bolsters. Titanium pocket clip, orange peeled titanium bolsters. This one has just a micro imperfection right over here on the bolster. I hope you can spot it. Nice lockup. Of course, this has a double clutch action here. This bad boy out. Brown micarta for the scales and for the spacer, geared in the back. Titanium tip-up carry only pocket clip. Strong detent. This sound is unmistakably RJ. How big is this bad boy? Almost 4 inches long for the blade, 3 1/4 sorry, for the cutting edge, and overall length almost 9 inches. I would say 8 3/4. Look at this bad boy. Check it out. And last but not least, this is a full size Scott Cook locks, and yeah, you heard the noise. This is brand new, it's spectacular, there's no imperfections whatsoever. For this dual tone handle, integral, legend, lanyard, in what is this, genuine leather, braided kind of deal, integral titanium frame lock, proverbial action on washers, custom pivot, and gold, solid gold dual studs for a incredibly smooth deployment, jimping, nicely done hand file. The blade shape is unmistakably Scott Cook Loxa, satin, but the dual tone finish on the handle is something to drool for. Listen to the sound. This is proverbial solidity in a knife. How big is this guy is? It's a classic Loxa, guys. So 3.5 inches, 4.5, and I would say 8.5 overall length for this beauty. You can check them out on Fablades.com. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite, and if you have an offer, I'm all ears. Let me know about that, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.